guys, and back to another video. Today I'm doing an airplane thingy, whatever. I know you got I don't know if you guys like doing this in like the start of the video or then, but I'm doing this in the start because I have a shout out for someone. I'm giving a shout out to my friend Abby. Yeah, I just want to give her a shout out because she asked for one, and yeah. So, yeah, and guys, the second part to my series of the high school thing I named, and I kind of forgot, is coming out soon. So, yeah. Okay, so enough talking, let's get on with the video. Yup. Okay, another day at work. Come on. You can do this. Oh my god, alright? I mean, isn't it like so crazy? Like, I can't even believe it. Like, yeah. Oh. Hello, ma'am? Hold on a second. Yes? I need to check your luggage. Oh, yes, yeah. Be careful. I have very fragile stuff because I'm going to my best friend's house and I need to look fabulous, okay? So, all my stuff is there, okay? Bring it to me, okay? So, yeah. No, ma'am, I have to, what did you say? Wait a minute. Girl, I'm trying to talk to this girl who won't bring me my bag back. Like, why do I have to carry it? But yeah, so, yeah, just bring it back to me, and make sure, be careful, because I have, like, Louis Vuitton and all that stuff in there, okay? So, okay. I guess I'll bring it back to you, yeah. Oh, you forgot your phone. Oh my god, girl, I forgot your phone. I'm so sorry. I mean, my phone. Words. Okay. Okay, okay, ma'am, your luggage is done. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to bring this to her. Right? Oh my god. Like, oh my god. Like, why would they do that? Like, I spent $20 on that, but then they told me to take like $100 more, and so I spent $1,000, and they're like, that is too much. That is like so little money. Hey, wait a minute. What do you want? Don't you see I'm trying to talk to my best friend? Whatever. So, what do you want now, you peasant? Your bag? I don't want to carry that around. Well, I'm not your servant. Oh my god, you're so rude. Just can't wait till you go to your house. I hope there's not people that are this rude. My goodness, girl. Now, just get out of my sight so, like, I can carry this, okay? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So, anyways, girl, what do you think we should do for, like, should we match for school? Oh my god, that would be amazing. Okay, back to my work. That was just a little thing. I don't have to get mad about that or anything. I hope. Hey, oh no. Okay. Hello, hi. I'm sorry, what are you saying? What? I don't know. I just wanted to, I just wanted to give you this, if you don't want it to check it in, that's fine. No, I'll check it in. What do you have in it? No, just my laptop and my teddy bear. I just really need it, okay? I know I'm big and I shouldn't be using it, but I need it, okay? I need it! Oh, ow. Ow. No, that's fine. I don't really care. So, yeah, I don't really care. So, it doesn't really matter to me. But, yeah, if it keeps you happy, then that's good. So I'll just take this. And please be careful. I need my teddy bear. Okay, if you break it, I'm afraid I might faint. Okay, I don't talk like this to people. I just really, really need it back. Okay, I'm getting scared without it. Don't worry, I will take care of it. Okay. No, can I come with you? Please, I need Mr. Teddy. Please, please, please. Please, 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 please. Mr. Teddy. Okay, your bag is... Ow. Okay, your bag's checked. I don't know why you came with me, but here you go. You can have whatever's in there. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. You came out of me. I don't care. That was weird.